I just leave your body, baby, from dusk till dawn. Tama na. Okay, thank you so much. Alright, next down in the hands. Welcome to Woodstock Got Time. Yes. Would you like to say something now? Just
Happy birthday to my uncle.
happy birthday, Uncle! Wow! May gusto ni Heart, Evangelista. Palakpak naman dyan, mga siningan. Mga siningan, palakpak naman dyan.
I hear the second of the clock, and I hear the rose fixed down.
Pwede.
I wonder where you are tonight. No one's around except home. And the night goes by so very slow. And I hope that will it end alone.
Kala ko talong. Talong pala yun. Kala ko talong.
You don't know how long I have wanted you, but that's your lips and the whole inside. You don't know how long I have wanted. If I was gonna tell you tonight, and the secret is still my own. And my love for you is still unknown.
Sabi na talong yun eh. Sabi na eh. Hey! Kuya, pwede ka pong lumapit dito. Pwede lumapit. Ladies and gents, our last hour in here is Julie, we're very sorry because we're running out of time here. Maraming salamat po, Ma'am Ayet. That was great. Dandan, malapaka. Thank you so much. Yes.